If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your LinkedIn subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Visit the LinkedIn website or open the LinkedIn app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions and Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions and Payments section. Click on it to view your current subscriptions and payment details. Step 4. Manage your premium subscription. Under the Subscriptions section, find your active premium subscription. Click on it to view the details and options available for managing your subscription. Step 5. Turn off auto-renewal. Look for the option to turn off auto-renewal. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or Manage Auto-Renewal. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to stop auto-renewal. By following these steps, you can successfully start the auto-renewal of your LinkedIn subscription. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the changes made to your account.